What up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking and Blazin. Again, today we're going to make a cheeseburger tater tot casserole. We're going to start by cutting up a green, red, yellow, and orange pepper. Now you can see here my wife was getting in on some of the work for once. Cooking. Yeah, we're gonna put all that in the pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Just cutting up this onion. We're gonna add all that together in the pan, like I said. Maybe like a tablespoon or 2 of minced garlic as well. Once you get it nice and cooked up, nice and hot, you want to add your 2 pounds of ground beef. I don't mind this. It's fucking not coming out of that packaging. Easy. This is for the sauce. Take a 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. About a 1/4 cup of mayo. You just a couple teaspoons of tomatoes or ketchup. Look, we're not professional around here. We just like to cook nice shit. We're gonna bring in that oregano, some pepper. I don't know exact measurements. We just go by taste, really. Got some garlic powder, some onion powder. This one though, this is really fucking good. Some salt. Nice and easy. It doesn't take very long to make, and we got some spicy brown mustard. Optional. All this shit that it looks terrible in that bowl. Look at that. What the fuck? A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. However you want to say it. However you do say it. Give that a nice little stir up. It looks disgusting. Look at it. Hideous. But it tastes super good. We take some sriracha. Add that on top of it too. A little bit of heat. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of heat, everybody. Tastes good. Mix it all up. And we're going to take that. We're going to drain out all that grease, fat, and the meat. Get it back on the stove. Add that weird ass concoction to the meat. Get it all nice and stirred in and incorporated. Just like that. Yeah. Looks so good. Spray your 9x13 pan with Pam. And we're going to put that meat, peppers, and onions and the sauce. Layer it nice and even. Just like this. And we're going to take some cheese. Don't mind that beep in the back. Somebody just hit me up on Xbox. So we're going to put some cheese on top of the meat. We're going to take some tater tots. We're going to put it on top of that. Frozen tater tots. And they were not cooperating coming out. Try to get them, nice and even. We're going to take the rest of the cheese and put it on top. Put it in the oven at 400 for about 25 minutes. Then it comes out nice and golden brown. Just like this. Oh, so good looking. Fuck. Looks good. Oh, yeah. Oh, so good. So tasty. All right. Catch you guys later. Thanks again. See ya.